Okay guys, so in this video we will start from data types. uh, okay, so did we finish input? No. Okay, so creating a simple calculator. In this example you must input two numbers, then we print the sum by calculating two numbers, integer x, y, integer sum. See out, type a number, see in x, see out, type another number, see in y. Sum x plus y, so sum is okay. So I think this is good guys, right? Okay, so if you want we can practice here, right? We need to be patient guys, this is the thing, right? Integer x, y, integer sum. See out, uh, 7 plus 4 should be 11, right? Okay, so sum, type a number, see next, type another number, y, x plus y. Okay, let's see. Type a number, see next. So what we're going to do is, Okay, so do one thing. Okay, guys, I hope you understood. Yeah, there you go. You just build a basic calculator. Okay. Anyway, data types. Let's go for the data types. As explained in the variables chapter, a variable in C++ must be specified data types. Integer number equals 5, float number floating is 1, double floating point number, my letter D, character boolean, true string, my text hello. Basic data type. The data type specifies the size and type of information the variable will store. Data type boolean 1 byte. Uh, Store values true or false. Character 1 byte. Store a single character letter number. ASCII values integer 2 or 4 bytes. Store whole numbers without decimals. Float 4 bytes. Store fractional numbers containing 1 or more decimals sufficient for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. Double 8 bytes. Store fractional numbers containing 1 or more decimals sufficient for storing 15 decimal digits. Okay, so let's go for numbers. Let's see this again. Let's see this again. Boolean 1 byte, character 1 byte, integer 4 bytes, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes. Okay, so boolean 1 byte, character 1 byte, integer 4, float 4. Okay, double 8. Numeric type use integer when you need to store a whole number without decimals like 35 or 1000, and float or double when you need a floating point number with decimals like 9.99. Okay, so integer my number, float, double, float versus double. The precision of a floating point value indicates how many digits the value can have after the decimal point. The precision of float is only 6 or 7 decimal digits, where double have a precision is of about 15 digits. Therefore it is safer to use double for most calculations. Scientific numbers. A floating point number can also be specific scientific number with an e to indicate the power of 10. Okay, double d1, f1 d1. Scientific number with an e to indicate the power of 10. Okay, so 35 into 10 to the power 3, maybe. Yeah. So now go for booleans. Boolean types. A boolean data type is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. When the value is returned, true is equal to 1 and false equals 0. So example, boolean Is coding false? Is fish tasty false? Okay, so let's do it. Is coding fun? True. 1. Is fish tasty false? 0. Is coding 1? This is 0. I hope you got it, guys. Yeah, boolean is for boolean gives us a true or false. So 1 means true and false means 0. So boolean values are mostly used for conditional testing, which you will learn more about the later chapter. So let's say character types. A char data type is used to store a single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes like A or C. Example, character migrate B. Okay, see out migrate. So you see it. Alternatively, if you are familiar with ASCII, you can use ASCII values to display certain characters. Character 65, B66, C67, C out, A, B, C. So let's try. Okay, so 65 is for capital A and 66 is for capital B, uppercase letters, right? C out, A, B, C. So a list of ASCII, all ASCII values can be found in ASCII table reference. Okay, now strings. C++ string data types. String type. The string type is used to store a sequence of characters. Okay, a string type is used to store a sequence of characters. This is not a built-in type, but it behaves like one in its most basic usage. String values must be surrounded by double quotes. Okay, so string greetings, hello, see out greeting. So to use strings, you must include an additional header file in the source code, the string library. String greetings, hello, see out greetings. Okay, sequence of characters, right? Include string. So let's say so here you see we are using these two files. Okay, I use stream and using string, right? Using namespace std. So I hope you got it, guys, right? The auto keyword. The auto keyword automatically detects the type of variable based on the value you assign to it. The type of the variable based. Okay, if it helps you write cleaner code and avoid repeating types, especially for long or complex types. For example, instead of writing int is x equal 5, you can write auto x equals 5. X is automatically treated as int. Starting in C++11, auto became a powerful way to let the compiler figure out the type based on the value you assign. Example with different types. Here is an example showing how auto can be used to create variables of different types based on the values you assign. Auto my number 5 integer. Okay, so these will be automatically defined, right? So I hope you got it, guys, right? Important notes. Auto only works only when you assign a value at the same time. You can't declare auto x without assigning a value. Once the type is chosen, it stays the same. See examples below. X equals 5, x equals 10, 9.99. In this tutorial, we usually use integer, double, and other basic types when your type is simple and easy to see. But for more complex types like iterators and lambdas, which you'll learn more about the later chapter, you will auto to keep the okay. Real life example, C++ data example. Here's a real life example of using different data types to calculate and output the total cost of a number of items. Example, I integer items equal 50, double cost per item 99, double cost total items into cost per currency dollar. Okay, so number of items, see out cost per items, cost per item, currency, total cost, currency. Okay, so I hope you got it, guys, right? Number of items 50, cost per item $9.99, total cost $4.995. So that's it for data types, guys. But if we can type them, okay, if we can type this code, then we will get some real life experience and our confidence will grow, right? So thank you for watching.